Hello friends, I am Dr. Surbhi Kapoor, consultant geneticist, Hegde Hospital. Today we'll discuss on a topic, is genetic testing is important in fertility? What is the role of genetic testing in fertility treatment? First of all, we need to understand genetic testing is something that is voluntary, that is patient choice. It is not something that is mandatory, but why genetic testing should be done? It is important that patients should understand all the significance and the importance of getting genetic testing done. Let's understand who are the patients and how genetic testing help us in fertility treatment. Genetic testing help us in fertility treatment in various ways. It helps us in identifying a genetic disorder or a chromosomal disorder. Genetic testing help us to identify if a couple or any individual is at an increased risk of having a genetic disorder or a chromosomal disorder by checking the parental karyotype, by checking the patient's whole exome sequencing. Genetic testing helps us in minimizing the risk of transmission of genetic diseases to the child, to the next generation. Genetic testing helps us to identify if there is a couple who is having a family history of recurrent miscarriages, genetic disorder in the family, or suffering or a previous abnormal child in the family. In that case, genetic testing is advised to the couple to understand whether the couple or either individual is a carrier for the specific genetic disorder that can be transferred to the child and can cause an increased risk of a genetic disease in the next generation. Genetic reports. Significance of genetic testing is that genetic reports and the genetic information that we get from all these genetic tests help clinicians and help patients to make an informed decision to plan their pregnancy, such as in case of a female who is facing recurrent pregnancy loss. In that, if the previous product of conception evaluation is done, the miscarried product is evaluated and it shows that the baby is having an abnormal count of chromosome, the reason for miscarriages. In that cases, clinicians can tailor the line of treatment by doing parental karyotype. If parental karyotype is abnormal, the different treatment strategies can be offered to the patient, such as IVF with the pre-implantation genetic testing of embryos. In case of advanced age females, genetic testing on embryos is pretty helpful as it checks the count of chromosomes prior to transfer. It helps clinicians and patients to select an embryo prior to transfer in the uterus by selecting a euploid embryo, that is the embryo that is having a correct count of chromosomes. This minimizes the risk of miscarriages or implantation failure in advanced age females. Genetic testing is pretty helpful in case of patients who are known carriers for specific genetic disease such as thalassemia, hemophilia, where there is an increased risk of transferring the disease to the child, where there is a 25% risk that a child will be affected with this particular disorder. In that case, patients can either opt for a tailored treatment like IVF with pre-genetic testing of embryos for the monogenic disorder, in which embryos are tested prior to transfer for this particular disorder for which the parents are carrier, or if they plan with a natural conception, the parents can opt for prenatal testing, antenatal testing at 16 weeks, amniocentesis, check whether the baby is affected with a particular disorder or not. So in short, we can say that the genetic testing in fertility treatment is pretty helpful for the clinicians as well as the parents to make an informed decision to plan their pregnancy and to minimize the risk of any chromosomal or a genetic disorder to be transferred to the next generation. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.